All right, people. So now this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge, the new location in Dominican Republic. Now I just had a whole lot of people here, right? And right now I just want to show you that it's not good to brag or good to boast. I got two people here that ordered. One of them ordered brown stew chicken. The other one ordered the curry shrimp. And they're going to tell you their opinion on the food. So they're from Jamaica, right? So this is one of the brother. He ordered the brown stew chicken. So tell me the story. You say you was passing somewhere and somebody tell you what the person said to you. People, listen really good. Listen good.
I was walking down. I'm staying at New Garden Hotel.
Yeah.
Around the corner. Walking down. Some guy, Haitian guy. No problem with him. But he tell me that he have the best Jamaican food ever.
Really?
And I couldn't believe it.
So tell me now that he said that and you taste this, what do you think as a Jamaican?
Are the richest, the most flavorful.
Yes.
Jamaican food you ever find in the Dominican.
Wow.
Sosua.
Thank you, my brother.
Sosua, man.
And it's real talk.
Hey.
The guy talking real talk.
One day with Mosha, he take his time, he cook, he clean everything.
That's right,
the,
brother.
The right minerals, the right
structure,
the right
yeah,
seasoning,
man. Everything in it.
it, man.
Yeah.
Okay?
So
purified.
you tell the people them your name?
Jason Schloss.
Jason the Jamaican. Thank you.
Yes.
Big respect. And thank you for not listening to the crap people tell you. Because everybody like to boast that they got the best. Now this is his boy, another Jamaican. And these guys, his family have Jamaican restaurant. So these guys are no fool. You can't fool them. What's your name? He got the curry chicken.
The food tastes good. Chris. Perfect. The best you ever get. The best. Flavorful.
Yeah.
And it's funny, because I want to tell you a story. In 2015, I came here.
Yeah.
This is Sosua.
Yeah.
And I walk on the beach. I walk everywhere. I didn't see any Jamaican restaurant.
Right.
First time I walk on the beach.
Yeah.
Get on the beach.
Yeah.
To my left, pure smoke.
Pure smoke.
Jerk chicken.
That was my
at the
thing.
grill. And that was Mosha.
Yes.
And 7 years later, now Mosha has this place right now.
Yeah. See that?
No?
See that?
And
What he's talking about is I was on the beach before. I am the first Jamaican restaurant in this island. Nobody else can claim that they are Jamaicans. Go ahead, my friend. If they claim they are Jamaican, anything that said that, I don't know. But I'm the first one. I've been here from foundation 2010, and I opened this restaurant on the beach. And now, what can I say? I'm not gonna brag. The customers tell you for themselves. This brother, you doubted that I could make your curry good, right? Didn't you doubt me?
I doubt it. It's good though. It's very good.
When him taste it, watch him face. Watch him face. All right. So
respect.
So them not. I didn't pay nobody to talk. People talk from their heart, right, guys? So all I'm gonna say to you is, I'm not gonna boast. I'm not gonna brag. If you come, if you don't have to see my place full to stop by. Just stop by and try the food for yourself and see if all these people is telling the truth. If you look at my reviews, you will see that what I'm saying and what people are saying is the real deal. So come down. This is the first Jamaican restaurant in the Dominican Republic. And I'm not going to say no more. You come try the
best Jamaican restaurant in the island.
Thank you, brother.
Period.
Thank you.
Period.
All right. So
Don't miss out.
It's better the customer said that. So he had the brown stew. Look at my brown stew.
Beautiful, man.
I mean, we don't know when get in America, but we don't get brown stew. That's the curry. You understand?
Rich. Rich.
All right, you see? Look at that.
Beautiful.
The curry, the chicken have flavor in it. Because I know what me do to make it get the flavor. All right? I'm not forced to know, but you need to come try it. So watch it, guys. Thank you. One love and big respect.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. So remember what I said. If you don't have anything good to say about anybody, don't say nothing. Shut your mouth. And don't speak bad about people. So here we go. Mosha's Reggae Lounge, new location in the Dominican Republic. If you want to try the food, come on down. And let me show you how it's done, how we do things in Jamaica. The real thing. I get all kind of compliments from people. Yeah?